they provide you a diagram, okay, and then you have to choose how many broadcast and cooling domain in that particular diagram, okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you see. Just read the question and try to answer.
Okay. So Korean domains. But I thought don't switches and routers don't have collision domains, right?
They're each just yes, they're not part of a single cooling domain, but each interface of a switch you can count a single separate cooling domain. Like here, you see, this is switch, and this is a router. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, I just put on another side. You guys. Okay. For understanding this, see, this is the red color shows the broadcast domains. Okay.
Okay.
Because you see the switch can broadcast. Okay. This
Yeah.
means this side of the router, all side is called a one single broadcast domain because the switch can send a broadcast. Okay.
Oh, so every single like way of transport for the packet can be considered a collision domain.
Yes.
So there'd be
This,
five.
there's a five because each interface can be separately in domain. We can count as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this question, we say there are two broadcast domain. Okay. And
Okay.
there are 5 Boolean domain. Okay.
Okay.
Now question number 2. Now read and
Okay.
answer.
So
Yes, yeah. Try to
how
answer.
many broadcast domains are shown in the graph? Assuming only the default VLAN is configured on the switches. Okay. Broadcast domains. So the wait, but okay. So for the first one, there's the two computers and the hub, but wouldn't the broadcast domain be the two computers, the hub, and the switch? Because the hub can't send the packets to everywhere, right? So it's send the packet to the switch, right?
Yes. We have 2 switches and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hubs.
So there would be
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Okay. You know, if all computer attached in a hub is a part of single broadcast domain, yes.
Oh, because you can connect the information to everywhere. Because if you
If this message goes through here, it broadcasts here, it broadcasts here, the message go here, here, everywhere. So this is answer
also
is
it's one.
yes. That's a technical. Is one broadcast because they never break the brand because the message from one end goes to the other end. Simply.
Because since the packet can go anywhere
Yeah,
and
that's kind of
any
yeah.
computer is one,
Yeah,
right?
that's all right.
Okay.
Okay. You just watch this. I'm coming in a minute. Okay. Give me 1 minute.
All right.
Okay. How many broadcast equivalent domain in that? In that.
Broadcast and collision domains. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait. So what the 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 traveling thing from the hub to a different hub, that would also be considered a collision domain, right? Because the packet can be collided there.
Yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15 collision domain?
Okay, let's see. Because first question is broadcast. How many broadcast domain? Because the message from here can be heard from end to.
One.
So this is one uh, broadcast domain. What about the collision? Can collision occur at any stage? Here, here.
Yeah.
Yes. So they can't differentiate between they can't break the collision domain. So where is the hub? Where there's a hub in the question? There must be one broadcast domain and one collision domain. Because he is not he can't stop the collision at any stage.
Oh, so the entire thing is one
Entire
entire
yes,
collision.
yeah. This is one because if collision occur here, whole the network will be down. All need to be hang. Okay, or need to
Because
reset
there's no
because yeah.
because there's no switch or any intelligent
Yeah,
device
because
to
then switch in the router, so the collision can happen. All the traffic will be jammed. All the road will be jammed. Then no communication furthermore till this we will remove the device or whatever. We restart the device. Okay. So next question.
How many broadcast and collision domains? Okay.
We will
There
hub
is
and a router in this and four computers, one hub and one router.
okay.
Okay.
So there are wait, because the router can connect to the internet, right?
Yeah.
What would the router connecting to the internet, the other part of the internet, would that be considered a broadcast domain or no?
Because in the diagram there's no other interface, so only one interface we have.
So
See,
we only there's okay, so there's only one.
because we only one interface connected, we had no idea what is going on the other side. So we will just calculate on this basis. Okay.
Okay, so then there's gonna be one broadcast domain,
Perfect.
and then
Yes.
there's gonna be
Yeah.
one collision domain.
Yeah, one collision domain. Because the hub and a hub is a part of one single broadcast domain.
And
So
one
one collision domain. Yes, this happened. Yeah, and one collision domain because all the hub, all there's a hub only. So this is the last question and the more technical question. Now you have to be answered on the.
okay, so
In the
so then
diagram, one hub and one switch and one router. Okay, so and you can see now
so then I have to answer A, B, C, D, E, F.
DEF. Yeah,
All right. So okay, for broadcast domains, there are there's two broadcast domains, right? Because it's
yes, perfectly alright. Because yeah, the router
two
can yes because both side of the router is a broadcast E1 and E0 interface. Well, this is a broadcast domain and this is a broadcast domain. Okay. Now the
and
more difficult question is about the collision domain. How many collision
okay,
domain?
so
Yeah.
for the hub, there's only one collision domain, so I know
Yes,
that.
that's the good. That's good.
And okay, so the human resources, there's three for each one that goes to the
Yeah,
switch.
yeah, that's fine.
But would there be one that goes from the switch to the router?
Yeah, this is again one single collision domain
Collision domain,
because yeah,
because a piece of. But since the switch since a router is an intelligent device, it wouldn't send a packet to the switch if the switch was sending a packet to the router, right?
yeah.
So that would still be considered a collision domain or no?
Because that's separate. No collision can be occur here. That's why this is called collision, separate collision domain.
Yeah, because
No collision can happen here, and no collision can happen here. Yes, that can collision happen all here. So this is the
so there's
one.
no
Yes.
collision can happen in the switch area.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All interface of the switch are separate collision domain. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4 and then
Yes,
5 for
and this is 5. So this is 5D. The A and D the right answers.
yeah.
The two box the 5.